Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic data centers in the cloud. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in cloud computing data centers and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First we talk about, friend, that what is a data center. Friend, I'm sure that if you have ever visited any company, IT based company, so you have definitely seen multiple computers are there in a room and which are interconnected with each other through different wiring, and air conditions are running to just cool down that location. And it's normally it's a small room in which multiple computers are there. So basically, friend, data center is a facility composed of network computers and storage used to organize, process, store, and disseminate large amount of data. These centers vary widely in size, from small server rooms to massive facilities housing thousands of servers. They are equipped with backup power supplies, environmental controls like air conditioning, and security devices to ensure uninterrupted operations and data protection. So basically, friend, data centers are basically servers which are interconnected with each other so that the data facility should be available. Now, what is mean by data facility, friend? Whenever we are basically like for example, we are providing some services. For example, you are providing some web hosting services, some payment based services, so you need servers. So these servers are running on 24 by 7 basis, like for the whole day, for the whole week these servers will be running. So basically you need a location at which those servers will be available, internet should be available, the other conditions like air conditioning, other services should be available, and these servers are available 24 by 7. Now, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a model that enables on demand access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources like server, storage, network, application, and services over the internet. Instead of owning physical hardware and managing it locally, users can access resources remotely from a cloud service provider on a pay as you go basis. In simple words, basically, friend, cloud computing means remote servers means that the storage, server, network, all those things are basically available remotely, and by using the internet we are accessing those services. And pay as you go means that you will pay only for that which you are using. For example, you have the services only for 1 month, so you will only pay for 1 month. Or if you have used the storage for 2 months, so you will only pay for 2 months. So that means whatever you are using, you are only paying for that. Now, data center in the cloud means that it is essentially virtualized data centers provided by cloud service providers, like for example Amazon, Google, Microsoft Azure. So these providers own and maintain the infrastructure, including servers, networking equipment, storage systems, and software, and offer it as a services to customer over the internet. So that means basically what happened, that these big names like for example Amazon, they have the data center, in their location. Okay, so rather than you have to make a data center at your location, like for example if you are in India or Pakistan, you don't need to build a data center at your own location, because it will cost you, it will require lots of human resources, it will require a lot of hardware, internet services, and other equipment are needed. Rather than making a physical data center at your own location, you can just have a contract or an agreement with the Amazon or Microsoft Azure to use their data center. It will cost you obviously, but here the thing is that all the maintenance of data center will be managed by those vendors. Now we can talk about components of cloud data centers which will be provided. First is the storage servers, means that virtual machines, VMs, or containers run on physical servers within the data center. These servers host applications and services for customers. Then a storage means cloud data centers provide various types of storage solutions, including object storage, block storage, and file storage to meet different needs such as data backups, file sharing, and database storage. Okay, so that means storage are properly available in the cloud data centers. Then networking means advanced networking equipment connects servers, storage, and other components within the data center. It also provides connectivity to the internet and other cloud services as well. So networking is also properly, an advanced level of networking is available in the cloud data center. Then virtualization means virtualization software allows multiple virtual machines or VM to run on a single physical server, maximizing resource utilization and flexibility. Here friend, there is a concept of virtualization, means that on a physical server, like we can make multiple VMs. VM means virtual machine, like VM with the operating system with data storage. So one physical machine will contain multiple VMs here as well. Then automation and orchestration means cloud provides use automation and orchestration tools to manage and deploy resources efficiently, scaling them up or down based on demand. So basically there is a concept, friend. For example, you have need of one more core operating system for core. So what you can do, you can add it easily by your own self if you have the privilege, if you have the access. If you want to down it, you can down it by yourself. Then security means cloud data centers implement robust security measures to protect data from unauthorized access, including like encryption, firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and multi-factor authentication as well. So with respect to security point of view, all the necessary things are available in the data center of cloud. Then monitoring and management means tools for monitoring performance, resource utilization, and system health are crucial for ensuring optimal operation and identifying and resolving issues promptly. So as a user, you have a full access to all those monitoring tools available. Then if we talk about advantages of cloud data centers, are scalability, means cloud data centers can quickly scale resources up or down to accommodate changing workload demands. Then cost efficiency means pay as you go pricing model allows customers to pay only for the resources they use, reducing upfront investment and operational cost. Reliability means cloud provides offer high availability and reliability through redundant infrastructure, data replication, and disaster recovery capabilities here as well. Then global reach means cloud data centers are often distributed across multiple geographic regions, enabling low latency access to services from anywhere and anywhere in the world.